this video, I would like to introduce you with manual alignment functions available in SENTIO, which help you to navigate across the screen on the live video in design, debug, or failure analysis applications. The on-screen tools on the right side of the screen provides you with the menu to select between different navigation modes. The first one we would like to take a look is the zoom function. The zoom function is actually really nice because you can use the fingers on the screen to easily zoom in and zoom out in different areas on the screen. When using an IMAX 2 microscope, the zoom function even switches to the narrow camera and allows you to zoom in and use the higher resolution camera. Zooming out again, camera switch back to the wide camera again. And when the zoom function is enabled, the user can simply tap to the screen to center the current field of view and go to the maximal field of view, or tap again to fit the image into the window of the screen. Another nice function here is the point and shoot function, which allows me to navigate across the wafer. Just tap to a certain area on the screen, and this area will be moved to the center of the screen. For instance, I want to navigate to a certain pad, just tap to the pad, and it will center this pad location. Target marker can be moved inside the image, so if I want to have my target area located here on the upper left side of the screen, I just push the tab button and it will move the pad over there to this location. Easily back to center using the center button. Yeah, that's basically it about the point and shoot function. Another cool feature of the on-screen tools, navigation tools, is the flick and pan function, which allows me to easily navigate the chuck across the screen. I can use this to navigate from die to die. Just put your finger to the screen and drag it to the other end, and chuck will execute the same movement distance. I can navigate between different dies. I can navigate to the target position. I can even use this function to drag a certain pad and put it underneath a probe tip, for instance. So like this, I put this pad underneath my tip, and it gives me roughly the alignment of the target location to the tip. Last but not least, we have our magnification function here, which allows me to highlight or zoom into a certain area on the screen which may be of certain interest. So without using the zoom function, I can directly highlight a certain area of the live image here. So for instance, this can be used to read pad descriptions. It's a digital magnification of the current area of the screen. If I don't want to use any navigation, I can even turn this off, which allows me to move my finger across the screen without any movement.